Chronic headaches is one of the top 3 reasons people miss work. 300 million people worldwide get migraines. Women are 3 times more likely than men to suffer. A new procedure is offering relief, and patients from around the country are coming here to Nashville to get it.
I would wake up in the morning with a migraine, I'd go to bed with a migraine.
Brooke Ford knows how chronic migraines can control your life.
I would have them for days at a time. 14 days was as long as I'd been with solid migraine. Stayed in the bed 24/7.
A 4-wheeler accident at age 18 caused hers. She tried multiple medications and surgeries, losing multiple jobs along the way.
I've tried everything out there. Everything that's possibly been able to do for migraines, I've tried.
Then she heard about Dr. Matt Rupert in Nashville. He was performing a procedure using neurostimulation at the Migraine Treatment Centers of America. Ford booked an appointment, traveled to Tennessee from Northwest Alabama, and essentially began a whole new life.
As soon as they turned it on, I could tell a big difference. I was like, oh my goodness, this is the best thing in the world, because I actually have my life back now.
The way that the device works, in simple terms, is that it scrambles the nerve signal input coming to the brain.
Rupert says neurostimulation was discovered in the 1960s, but the tool used now has progressed in the last 10 to 15 years. The procedure involves 2 phases. First, the test phase, which lasts about a week.
It really involves making a couple punctures through the skin with a few needles and then delivering the leads to the target areas.
Thin wires are attached to a small battery that sends soothing pulses to the nerves when a migraine is coming on, tricking the brain.
So rather than the brain being delivered signals of pain, we deliver a different sensation. Typically, patients describe a vibratory sensation or a buzzing type sensation.
If that proves successful, the patient moves on to the implant stage.
That involves placing the leads back into the same location, but then putting everything, including all the wires and an implantable battery, underneath the skin.
Recovery time is 1 to 2 weeks.
I've actually lost weight because of not being laid up in the bed 24/7, and so I've remodeled my house.
Ford went from suffering migraines almost every day to just 3 migraines in the last year.
That's unbelievable. I've got a lot of time to catch up on.
She sure does. Well, the Omega procedure has a 90% success rate. It's covered by most major health care plans as well. Risks include infection, bleeding, or fluid collection under the skin, and hardware-related complications. Nashville is one of 5 cities in the country offering it through Migraine Treatment Centers of America. So for more information, we have a link on WSMV.com.